Alright, so based on the picture, because I can't read anything, they're looking for these parts here. These parts here, so we'll just take them off. And you could just turn these things off, which is what I used to do, but I think that maybe using the pliers cuts them a little bit better. I don't know. Looks like I damaged the part. Looks like I damaged the part. Not in a significant way, but I don't know. That's a cleaner cut there. Anyway, there's 4 of these, so I'm not sure why and which ones are better than the others. I don't know. There's smaller ones and larger ones. Who knew? Who knew? And why?
Likey.